Okay, so again, we're coming to you from downstairs. I did create a virtual box. I sort of get it going. I ran through the steps that they specify for going to get this, getting the node going. Now, I did the Docker, and after playing on one thing that I had to make sure is give myself permission on like the Radix file and the yum file, if so that I wouldn't have to do it with what is it, the with sudo. And I did the password and all that stuff. Started it, brought it up, and I'm still getting an error. Now that could be a couple of things that we're going to have to investigate, but it could be, see, let's show you what's going on here. See, it's not finding something. That could be it's not synced up, which means later on it may work. Or it could be that it doesn't like the address I gave it, the location. So that is the $64,000 question that I do not know yet. And I'm going to have to investigate. I have not found, an obvious thing here, but I'm leaning towards either one or two things. It cannot get to the address it's supposed to get to, or it cannot get to, um, it has not synced up. So I'm getting an error still because it can't, it hasn't synced up with it yet. It's one of those two is what I'm thinking. I think the installation is good because if I stop it and start it, it seems to not provide any, not give any errors. And so that is kind of what's going on here. We're going to keep pushing it. Again, since I'm doing it on virtual machine, I don't believe that it is any kind of issue with the virtual machine connecting to the to the um, to the internet, because let me show you. And I know can you see this? Do I have it? Oh, I don't have the right thing up. Well, let's do here. There you go. So you can see the internet is up on here, and if I click here, you can see what's going on here. This is the error I'm getting. Page is currently unavailable. So we can't find the page. It's not giving a radix error. It's almost like it's not connecting to this server here, this node here. That's another thing we can try that I'm going to be playing with is they give you a number of options for radix nodes, and we can try that again with a different value for t in terms of setting it up, and we'll see. But we definitely made a lot of progress. We got a virtual box that has Docker working just fine. We ran through the setup steps, which let me show you here. This is kind of, see if I can get this. So we ran through this setup here. The address and the signal you use to join the network. Okay. Select the closest seed node from the list. So I believe I chose this one. Let me go back here. And that would be 135, yeah. That's the one I chose. And could be it's not up. It could be, let's see, did my admin and super admin and did all that. And this is where we got to. Let's see, any tokens, any key generation. So said we'll create, okay. Key generation, well, I think it did. It delegated. So they say it should be running. Let's see if they have stop or restart your node. So here's the thing. Stopping and restarting. F is in, okay. So we may be able to start it with a different address. I wonder if that is, give it a shot before we sign off here. Why don't we do that? Let's go and get this one. And let's see what would happen. Let's go here. No Docker stop F Radix. Oh no, hopefully I won't have. It does it. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. We're gonna put a different version here. It may ask for the key file. And yeah, it is. So how we're going to handle that is we're going to cover this up while we do that. And go back here and do it where you can't see it. We do not want our key file all over the internet. Let's see if that works. So now that the key file has been sufficiently hidden, let's bring this up. You can see I started it and it's creating what it has to, and it's not, there's no errors that we can see. And let's see if we can let's see what happens now. Yeah. So it could be connecting to the wrong thing. It could be, again, that it just takes time. And we'll just wait, try it again, and then double check that we're connecting to actual live servers. So anyway, if this has been helpful, and excuse the noise, again, my microphone down here decided it doesn't want to cooperate. So I'm using the microphone from the webcam, which is not as directional. It'll probably pick up every bing and boom of my computer. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, if you found what we're doing here helpful, then please, uh, you know, subscribe, ring the bell, give a like, tell your friends who might be interested in this topic, and we're going to see if we can get it to actually provide information and not this saying that the page you're looking for is unavailable. And again, as you can see, it created the network. This just may be a matter of time. It just takes time for it to sync up and connect. So I'm going to try it later on tonight and see if it has decided to sync up. Anyway, I will speak to you tomorrow, and take care.